Hi, my name is Prashant. I'm a sales trainer and a financial advisor. I train sales and non-sales professionals to develop excellent sales and other soft skills. Today's my topic is the importance of training programs. Now, why organizations must conduct training programs for their employees? The reason number one, to improve employee performance. The employee who receives the training is more able to perform in their job. The training gives greater understanding of their responsibility within a role and build confidence. Second, to improve employee satisfaction and morale. The investment in training that company makes shows the employee that they are valued. Training gives a supportive workplace also. They feel they are challenged, they are appreciated from this training program. Third, addressing weaknesses. Most of employees will have weaknesses in their workplace skills. So this training can help them to strengthen those skills that each employee has to develop and need to be developed. 4. Low employee turnover. Staffs are more likely to be valued when they are invested in, and therefore they are less likely to change employers. The training and development program is seen as an additional income for the additional benefit for the companies. They reduced recruitment cost due to retention of the staff. And the fifth one, it will enhance the company's profile. The successful and strong training strategy help to develop employer brand and make your company a prime consideration for graduates and the mid-career changes. It increases the productivity. The training and development programs help to improve the productivity of the employees. Efficiency contribute change in the turnover and market share potential. Now let me share one example. It is about the John the woodcutter. John was working for one company for 5 years but never got raised. Later, company hired Bill and he got raised in 1 year. This caused resentment in John and he went to his boss and asked the reason. And boss said, John, you are cutting same number of trees since 5 years. And this company is a performance-oriented company, result-oriented company. We would be happy to give you a raise provided if you increase your productivity. John started hitting hard, spending more time cutting trees, but he failed. He couldn't cut more trees. He came back to boss and told his delegate. And boss asked him to talk to Bill. He said, John, talk to Bill. Maybe he knows what we don't know. He knows something else we don't know. John went to Bill and asked how he managed to cut more trees. And the Bill replied, after every tree I cut, I take 2 minutes break to sharpen my axe. When did you sharpen your axe? And the John understood. So dear friends, when did you update your knowledge? Have you developed new skills? Have you updated your knowledge If you don't update your knowledge, if you don't develop new skills, you cannot get more results. And this competitive market, if you don't perform, you'll be nowhere in the company. And from the companies also, I advise all the organizations to the conducting the training programs is the right investment and is the best way to improve your employees' productivity, skills, knowledge. This leads to a business growth and sustainability. My training programs help to develop all type of the skills, especially sales skills. You can find me on Facebook too. Just type Gyan25 or you can call me 9900554835. I'll be catching with my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.